Last year, the Red Magic 5 took the world by storm. It really nearly rivaled the likes of the ROG 3 and it really gave it a good beating. And right now, we have here the Red Magic 6. It is the successor to the super popular Red Magic 5 and I'm really excited to try it out. How about let's unbox it right now here in my channel. So hi guys, I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And here in my hand, after we unbox it, is the Red Magic 6. It is a little bit striking, similar to the Red Magic 5, of course, as being its predecessor. The design is a little bit strikingly the same. This phone comes with the latest Snapdragon 888, which is a 5G capable phone. Together, it's a 5nm chip. Inside is the Adreno 660, being its main GPU. And this phone only has three variants. Either go for the 128 gigs of storage, the 8256 gig of storage, or the 12256 gig of storage. All of them are UFS 3.1 ready. Now, for the first time here on my channel, this phone has cracked the 700,000 mark on Antutu. The last one being the Mi 11. It nearly got away with it with 699,000 points, but this one eclipsed it even further with the 728 points. Of course, no cheating. I'm just surprised with the score of iTutu here being just at 164,000 points. I don't know why. Here on 3D Mark, it has a 5,800 points here at Vulcan, as well as max out on Slingshot Extreme. How about that? Now, this phone has a level 1 wideband security level, which means I can watch all my HD videos here on this phone. Now, this phone comes with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display together with a 1080p resolution. It's really nice. And guess what? It has a whopping 165Hz of screen refresh rate, together with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and a glass at the back, together with the aluminum frame. It even have a 400Hz of touch sampling rate. Now, with all those numbers, let's try to put it to a gaming test. Here on gaming, I can say I played 3 games now in a row, and the first one being the Call of Duty, one of my most favorite games here for mobile. Then, of course, I also played Genshin Impact. I also played Mobile Legends. How about watching some gameplay here? Now, overall, while playing these games, I can say that it's really a good experience. Having a gaming phone here in my hands, there's a built-in fan here. Of course, when I'm playing games, especially when I'm in the heat of a battle, the fan will turn on. It will really blow out the hot air from the sides. It's really helpful. Now, I can say that the cooling system from this phone is really something else. I can really feel less heat as compared to that of the Red Magic 5 before. But of course, there's always an option to attach a cooling fan. Overall, the gameplay for both 3 games that I play is really a good experience. I have a good stereo surround sounds, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack, which is pretty rare on gaming phones like this one, and it's really helpful. I can plug in my favorite headphones for this one while playing those games that I like. Now, this phone also comes with the under-display fingerprint scanner, which is very responsive, as well as let's tackle the camera modules here from this phone. It has a triple camera setup, and the first one being the 6.4 aperture 1.8 main sensor, as well as the 8MP ultra-wide sensor and the 2MP macro lens. Together up front is an 8MP front shooter. Let's check out some camera shots from this phone. Well, taking some outdoor shots, I'm not really super duper impressed. I don't really expect too much from a gaming phone like this. Of course, having a very nice gaming capability on this phone, the camera probably is a sacrifice. Now, these pictures you can see are a little bit more saturated than usual, and well, it could have been better. Maybe a firmware update can correct some of these photos. Now, check some photos from the front camera. Well, 8MP does spell the difference. For me, these shots are, well, just so-so. I don't really expect too much from its front camera. And did you know that this phone also comes with a 5050 milliampere hours of battery, which can support up to 66 watts of fast charging? Well, Nubia said that it can finish charging in just 38 minutes. How about that? Well, I did drain this battery down to 20%, then charge it right back up to 100. And guess what? Using the default cable and default charger, it reaches roughly 64 watts, and I finished in just 36 minutes. Good results, good results. So guys, what can you say about this phone, the Red Magic 6? I can say that it really succeeded the Red Magic 5, which is the really a hit last year. Everybody's looking for the Red Magic 5, and it really took the gaming world by storm. So did you like this phone? Comment on the comment section below and let me know your thoughts about the Red Magic 6. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any videos here from my channel. So I hope to see you on my next one. Goodbye.